Well, we're at Pakenham Mill, and this is a little classic car show. And there's my Dodge, my 1947 Dodge. There's a farm over there. There's some cars here. We've got a Jag, and over there we've got a Citroen 2CV and another Jag. It's a Mark 10. It's a car you don't see very often now. That's nice. Right, that's lovely. Yeah, I do like that. It's absolutely gorgeous. This has got a nice mascot on it. Look at that. Wow. That's brilliant. It's an Elvis. Weather's not very good, so everyone's sitting in their cars. This is a Chrysler 180, I think they called this. This was a nice car in its day. I remember when these came out. I would have loved one. I still think they're quite nice now. This is a Riley. Police used to have these in the early 50s. Ford Escort. What's that? Firebird. Trans Am or something. Here under the trees we've got some more cars, and this is another Riley. I had a friend once who had two of these. See, the bonnets open up from the side, like my Dodge. That's lovely. Oh, I do like that. It's a lovely dash. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely red leather. Smart car, that. It's got a gunmetal grey and a vinyl roof. Oh, look at those bumpers at the back. Wow. It's got big, what are they, reversing lights? It's got turning lights, and it's nice. You can't hide away in there all the time. What year is it?
1952.
1952. What is it?
Armstrong Siddeley.
Armstrong Siddeley. Right, Whitley. Yeah. And this is a Bentley with an unusual mascot. No, it's not. It's not. It's an Elvis. I stand corrected there. There's that Lomax. Belongs to a friend of mine.
Oh yeah, don't go down.
Oh. This is another Elvis. This is lovely. Stacked headlights, like a bit like the Faisal Vega, the front of that. It's a lovely car. American engine in it. That's nice. They even come with a thermos of coffee. Oh, and look, got a passenger in the back. Austin Healey. Here we are. Austin Healey 3000. These were all the rage when I was a boy. This is what the real men drove. Hairy-chested men drove these cars. And the girls drove the MGB. Then we've got a big Rolls like this. The Mercedes. What have we got here? Is this another Elvis, is it? No. That's lovely. And here we've got a Jag. Look at that. Mark 1. That's lovely, isn't it? I love the colour with the red leather. That's beautiful. Yeah, I do like that. I really do like that. I love the colour. It's a hairy looking MGB. Not sure what this is. This is a period of car that I'm not really up to speed on. All these 1930s. Beautiful cars though. So look, see what it says. Oh, Lagonda. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That's just a stunning old car. I love the spotlight on the side there. And here's a hairy Capri. 2CV here. Like all these cars getting wet in the rain. So we've got more cars down here. Little mini estate. Oh, that car's got an umbrella. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, that's wonderful. What's that? Oh, look at that. I love cars with umbrellas.
I thought I'd have a look at the cars first.
Yeah, I should have done it that way, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful Rover. I do like those as well. Especially that version, the coupe. Oh look, it's a nice Ford console. This car's been done with enthusiasm. Oh, look at this. Another hairy old car for touring across the continent. Here's another Riley. There's about 4 or 5 of them here. This is a lovely old car, look. Beginning to warm to these as well. Look at that. It's an old Hillman. Isn't that lovely condition? Beautiful colour. Lovely colour scheme. So now here we've got a standard. That's lovely. That's beautiful. And another Riley. I don't believe this. We've seen here already, I think 5 of these. It's a nice black one. That lovely dash in there, look. Oh, and it's got green leather. Wow, and the rain's still coming down. The MGB is covered up. And we got some old Morrises by the look of it. Austin. Big Austin 16, is it? Lovely, lovely in the back there, isn't it? Renault Dolphin. There's a Wolseley. Somebody else sheltering from the rain. And an Armstrong Siddeley. Now this is super duper. Absolutely super duper. Can't deny that that is not a nice car. And oh dear, another Riley. This time it's green and black. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Got a dolphin look. Isn't that lovely? All these cars, you can see they're polished by the way the water's beating up on them. Isn't that nice? And then here we've got a beautiful black MGB. MGB GT. Amazing one. Another little car there with an umbrella. What's that, a Ford Prefect or Consul? And a Porsche and a VW, basically both the same car in a way. And guess what, another Riley, another red and black one. So we've got one there and one up there, 2 red and black ones. Must be a Riley club around here. Got Riverside Walk, and over here we've got a beautiful scene. Look at that, that's nice, isn't it? There's a boat over there. How do you get to it? You need a boat to get to the boat. Well, it's not a very nice day, but it's certainly a lovely spot. Oh, look. We've got a little fete here. We'll go and see if we can find something to eat. Or an ice cream.